Mr. Clark's criminal record reads like a laundry list of offenses. Just look at these charges. There's a lot of ground to cover. From evading detention to felony theft, this is a serious situation. Can he turn it around, or is he stuck in a cycle of trouble? Let's see how this plays out.
Individually wrapped bags of marijuana, a larger bag of marijuana, and a scale. The complainant, employee of the store, advised that the defendant had been trespassed on this property for about 2 hours prior to officers arriving and would like to press charges for trespassing.
Mr. Clark just had 2 evadings dismissed last month.
Yes, Judge. One evading was convicted, one was dismissed.
And now we have that he's slinging. Mr. Clark, what do you do for a living?
I ain't got a job, but I was going to school still. I was just be outside, like, on weekends and stuff. I feel my dad.
Are you here with someone today?
No. Well, I am, but they outside, like, they not in the courthouse.
Who are you here with?
My stepmom.
Can you go get your mom?
No, she like outside, like in the car.
Go get her.
Meanwhile,
so that's what we're waiting for to get Nolly. This is the last class. Okay, so go. We'll just confirm, Mr. Mitchell. If you can confirm, and then Shatoria, if you can actually confirm tomorrow. Go, and then you shouldn't have to come tomorrow. Okay, all right, go to it.
Thank you.
Good morning. How are you? How's jail? You don't get it, Mr. Justice. Over and over, I've tried to get you to go to this treatment facility, and you jump the fence and you take off. Every time you pick up a new case, I'm going to continue to send you back until you actually do it and take care of what you're supposed to do. I'm not going to let you continue to plead guilty after. Let's go through your criminal history, Mr. Justice. It's not funny.
And now we're into the specifics. Criminal trespass, but with some hefty penalties attached. 6 months in jail, a big fine. This is just the latest in a long line of charges, and it's adding fuel to the fire. How will he respond to these growing consequences?
It's truly sad, Mr. Justice. It really, really is. And you take it like a joke, but it's not. Evading detention, possession of a controlled substance, theft from a person, possession of marijuana, burglary of a building, felony theft, burglary of habitation, attempted burglary of a habitation, criminal mischief, evading arrest, theft from a person, assault, bodily injury, theft, criminal trespass, evading arrest, resisting arrest, criminal trespass, assault, bodily injury, criminal trespass, assault, bodily injury, terroristic threat, criminal trespass, felony theft, assault, bodily injury, criminal trespass, failure to identify oneself, resisting arrest, criminal trespass, criminal mischief, felony criminal mischief, another criminal mischief, evading arrest, assault, bodily injury, now 2 unauthorized absences from a correctional facility, and now you pick up another criminal trespass. And you want me to just let you plead guilty? Never again. Every time you pick up a new case, we will send you back to DDRP until it takes. No more pleading guilty until you actually get it. I will not do this ever again. You will now, every time you pick up a new case, we'll be doing the same thing we do.
Wait a second. He just had 2 evading charges dismissed last month? It looks like Mr. Clark is no stranger to close calls with the law. But the question is, has he learned from his past mistakes? Or is this another case of bad luck?
Every time you jump the fence, they will continue to file felony charges on you. At some point, you will stay, you will listen, and you will participate in the DDRP program. But I'm not going to let you plead guilty anymore.
Okay.
You will continue to do, and I will continue to send you to this program until you actually stay and work it. You understand?
Yes, sir.
How many cases was that?
Okay.
A lot of cases. I'm done. I will not do it anymore with you. All right? Thanks.
Many unbearable hours later.
So a 2-week reset to see what we're gonna do, yeah? For sure.
Clark? Come on up, please. Judge, please, tonight. Certainly.
You ever watch that movie Stand and Deliver?
No, Judge. Never heard of it.
What is this, calculas? You need to watch that movie. Dude reminds me of Stand and Deliver.
Okay.
Okay.
Clark?
Mr. Clark.
That's, you're the stepmother?
Yes.
How old are you, man?
36. I'm sorry, I wasn't.
It's okay. My concern is, are you familiar with what's going on with Mr. Clark? What his criminal history has been, what's been happening, and now what his new case is? Do you know?
Not so much. I work overnight, but he's been talking about it with his mom and his dad, but,
So
I just came to a company to see what's going on.
where's mom and dad?
But, they're both at work.
Ouch. The judge is getting straight to the point. Mr. Clark's track record is catching up with him, and the judge isn't cutting any slack. This is a real crossroads. Will Mr. Clark finally face the consequences, or is he just playing the system?
Do you mind reading what happened, please, so that she can get the gist?
Sure. On May 12, 2024, officers on view trespassing at the Sunrise Grocery parking lot, which is in Harris County, Texas. Officers observed there to be a no trespassing sign. Officers observed multiple males run off in different directions who are all loitering at the grocery store. Officers made contact with the defendant, who they observed hang out at the Sunrise Grocery store and evade with the other group of males. Once the defendant was detained, officers smelled an odor of marijuana, found multiple individually wrapped bags of marijuana, a larger bag of marijuana, and a scale. Complainant advised that the defendant had been trespassing on his property for 2 hours prior to officers' arrival. Would like to press charges for trespassing.
So he just had 2 cases here. He pled to one, evading arrest. They dismissed the other one, not less than a month ago. Now he's allegedly slinging at the neighborhood corner store. Everybody's working. When the cat's away, the mice will play. What do we need to do with Mr. Clark to make sure he's not getting in any more trouble? Did you graduate from high school?
Yes, sir.
Are you in high school?
Yes, sir.
What do we need to do?
Joe? Probation?
No. He's not, we're not even there yet. I mean, this is just so,
I mean, I talked to them, but, you know, you can only tell them so much, because I have a 15-year-old, so it's kind of hard to, you know, tell them what to do, or the people
Does he
they
live
hang
with-
around with.
does he live with you or does he live with them?
He was living with his mother, but now he's living with us. We just rented a house.
So he actively now lives with you.
Yes, sir.
You work,
Yes,
but you work at night.
yes. I'm home. I'm home during the day.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm putting an ankle monitor on him so I know that he's not out in the middle of the night.
Okay.
So nothing good happens in the middle of the night, you're not to be out. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna drug test you now, and then I'm gonna drug test you in 30 days. And if I find that weed is in your system, I'm gonna lock you up. You will not get any more PR bonds. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So you'll either graduate clean or you're gonna graduate with me behind bars. We can do this the easy way or we can do this the hard way. You're now at 3 cases within the last couple months. It's over. You understand, Mr. Clark?
Yes, Your Honor.
What else do we need to do to make sure that he's not going to get in trouble?
Um, I never,
The judge's frustration is palpable. Mr. Clark has been given chances before, but it's clear that this time, there's no more room for mistakes. The DDRP program is his last shot to get on track. Will he seize it, or will he keep sliding down a dangerous path?
been in this situation.
It's okay. It's,
I have a lot of kids at home, so, it's just, I just talk to them a lot. Probation, that's the only
thing
thing.
is that when you have too much time on your hands, Mr. Clark, you become self-destructive. That's what's happening now. You have way too much time on your hands and do nothing productive. Do you have a job?
Yes, sir.
Then that's what you need to do on your off time. You either go to school or you have to graduate. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. In your off time, you need to be working to doing something productive.
Yes, sir.
So I am going to give him a curfew so that he's not out in the middle of the night. I would say probably 9 o'clock, something like that. No dope, no weapons. You pick up a new case. Holy moly, I will spontaneously combust because I'll be so upset. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
No new cases, no smoking weed, and stay in school. Any more issues, I promise you I'm going to keep you. So he's currently enrolled in school, right?
Yes,
You sure?
something like that. I'm just not sure, because his mom is the one that's in charge of that, but, I have to speak to.
So let's do this. I'm going to give him a lawyer, okay? I'm going to set this case off 2 weeks. When he comes back, I want proof that you're actually enrolled in school. I want to see that you're actually in school
Yes, sir.
and attending. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Yeah, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Must full-time in school. No drugs, no alcohol. We will test 30 days from today. No weapons and no hanging around with. Pavel, did he have any co-defendants by chance?
I don't believe anybody was connected, no, Judge.
And no going back to this corner store. No more slinging. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna give him a lawyer today. I will give you my phone number. If he starts acting up with you, let me know and I will straighten him out so that there's no issues. Okay? Okay. Thank you for coming.
This way.
The judge is serious. He wants proof. It's not just about telling him what's going on. Mr. Clark needs to show real action. This is his chance to turn things around. But will he rise to the occasion? Or will he continue to drift through life without taking responsibility?